Whoa. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Alright, TLR 22, last video you saw I just put in the RADiCAL stock spec motor and I was timing it. I have adjusted the timing a bit. I have it around 35% on the end bell, which is around 50 degrees real timing, but it still wasn't fast enough for me, so then I did take my AC out of blinky mode. Now I'm running boost and turbo as well, just to give me a little bit more power at the end of the straightaway, and it's okay, but I'm still overall not impressed with this motor. But I am a little bit faster. We're going to see how I do in the mains. Something else I should mention about the two-wheel drive before we get out there is I put all 4 ellipses on backwards rotation, so now the webs are running opposite, and that actually gives better braking and better side bite on the cornering. High-speed straight maneuvers become a little bit more unstable, but overall tonight the track was overwatered a bit and it's really loose, so it's not really performing nearly as well as it did on the weekend when I was testing out this setup. So I'm a little disappointed in that, and I did not run any other tires, so we're just going to go out there with backwards ellipses. Well, I'm a little disappointed. I'm still in the C this week. I didn't improve any just because traction is so hard this week. Anyway, we'll get out there, see how I do in the C main.
Kennedy, Aiden slowly, just like Bolton and Pascal. Or Pascal, are you out?
I'm hoping the track has dried out enough where now these tires will start to hook, but it's still extra loose. You can see how loose it is. But the nice thing is you can pitch it into those corners a little bit more aggressive. That was too aggressive. But that's the nice thing about running them backwards, is that you get a little bit better side by cornering. And there's my straightaway speed with the timing plus boost plus turbo. All right, let's see how we do in this race. This is my first race with the Performa P1.
So in our order should be Jack, John, Aiden, Justin, and Colton. Beep. Alright, looks like everyone's passed. Got Jack up front with John Kennedy, Aiden, Justin, and then Colton. Looking for the bump into the A or B. I think when I was deleting round 4, I think on my finger clip I must have deleted round 1 as well. So sorry about that, Joel. Round 2 and round 3 is what I seem to have now. Yeah. Okay. We'll put you there. Okay. Okay, we'll do that.
4 minutes left.
Alright. So it's showing me John Kennedy's up front and Jack, Aiden's just laying Colton.
Jack's reeling me in quick though. Got to try and hold him off.
Alright, John's coming over the hill into the S's. Got a fast flap 27.2. Jackson the second, trying to hunt him down. You got 1 minute and 30 seconds down, 3:30 to go.
Whoa. And just like that, he's on my bumper.
So if you guys see any other stats that are messed up from the races, come and let me know. We need Joel quite a bit in position, but he's still in the B, so we're going to keep him in there. Looks like we got our battle. We got a lead change there. Jack's getting by 3 minutes left. We have 3 minutes to go now. First and second going up on the wall. Third place guy is Aiden. 5 seconds behind John Kennedy.
Just
Looks like John made a little mistake there. He's into the S now.
Yep.
He was only half a second. He separated from Jack. It looks more like a couple seconds now. Jack wants that bump into the D. $2:30 down, 2:30 to go.
About half the race left to try and catch him, but he's probably going to reel away from me. Whoa! Ah, frig!
Two minutes left.
Look at that push. I can't turn there because it's so wet over there.
1 minute and 45 seconds to go. We got Jack out front and John Kennedy 7 seconds behind. Aiden's another 2 seconds behind John Kennedy. Gus Lane 6 seconds behind him. And then we got Colton. We're another 10 seconds behind Gus Lane. We got fastest lap out there is Jack, 25.9. All right, leaders going into the double-doubles now. John's 8.6 seconds behind.
Aiden's right on me.
1 minute
Whoa.
and 15 seconds to go. Fastest lap was, like I said, Nesbitt 25.9. John Kennedy 27.2. 27.4 for Aiden. 28.1.
Whoa, there's my screw up.
1 minute left.
1 minute to go.
All right, now I gotta try and catch Aiden.
Oh, looks like John. 15 seconds to go on the clock. Next race, we have Jake, Joel, Andrew, Dara, Brian, Eddie. If any of that's wrong, let me know. We've got 30 seconds to go on the clock. Showing Jack out there with a 9-second lead. Aiden's up in the 2 position now. Up by Jake. He's into the S's now, going to the double-double. Our leader's just going by the finish line. 15 seconds to go on the clock. It's going to be his last lap.
Whoa, too much HP.
John Kennedy might even get clipped at the line here.
Ah, don't clip me. Woo, just made it. one more lap, Aiden, one more lap.
2.5 years old.
You got a good gap on me.
Jack, you're done, bumping up into the B. There's that Aiden. Aiden's coming into the 2 position.
Yeah. You got that.
Take a second overall.
Good run. Whoa. All right.
Here comes Jacob.
And there's
Taking the
3.
podium for his position. Everyone's done.
All right, good run. All right, 3rd in the C. No bump up this week. That was my C main. That was the first race with the Performa P1. It wasn't a great run. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button if you know, and here subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.